इस वीडियो में हम लैपलास ट्रांसफॉर्म की प्रॉपर्टी कवर करेंगे। तो यहाँ पर इस वीडियो में हम प्रॉपर्टीज जो कवर करेंगे उसके साथ एग्जाम्पल भी कवर करेंगे, so that understanding can be built up from the student point of view. The first property we are going to cover is the simple property. That property is linearity. Suppose we are having two signals. One is say x1 signal and another is x2 signal. Both are function of time. Now, the Laplace transform of this signal is x1s, and also the Laplace transform of x2 is x2s. Now, if I am going to multiply multiply this x1 with a constant a and add it to the signal x2 after multiplying it with, say, suppose b. So that is a signal. और इसका अगर हम लैपलेस ट्रांसफॉर्म लेते हैं तो हमें क्या मिलता है? इंडिविजुअल लैपलेस ट्रांसफॉर्म ऑफ x1 एंड x2, उन दोनों का एड और सेम कांस्टेंट से अगर हम उसे मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, तो दैट इज द लीनियरिटी प्रॉपर्टी. अब हम पहले इसका प्रूफ करेंगे so that it is more clear to you. Proof is like that we have to find out the Laplace transform of a x1 t and plus b x2 t bracket close. So, by formula of Laplace transform, unilateral Laplace transform, we can write that integration from 0 to infinity. Here, the signal x is in the form of x combination of x1 and x2. तो इसका हमें यहाँ पर Laplace transform निकालना है. By definition, we can write e to the power st dt. Now, we can open up the bracket and we can write 0 to infinity a x1 t e raised to the power minus st dt and plus integration from 0 to infinity, that is b x2 t e raised to the power minus st dt. That's how we can write. So, here because this a is constant, so we can take outside to the bracket this a, and this also b is a constant, so we can write outside the integral. Now, by definition, this integral term is nothing but the Laplace transform of x1 and x2, right? So, by definition, we know that x1 having the Laplace transform capital X1. So, we can write this is having x1 capital X1 and this is having capital X. So that's how we can write, and the property is proved here. Now in the same way, we can have the numerical section also, so that you can understand the things in a better way. So the question is, we have to find out the Laplace transform of xt, where xt is defined the combination of two exponential signal. So we can write the exponential signal in this form. The ut here is going to limit this exponential signal from 0 to infinity. Now we are having this in the form of the linear signal that is going to follow the superposition portion. So we have to find out xs, which is the Laplace transform of xt, right? So it is in this form. So we can write Laplace transform of 2 e raised to the power minus 2t ut plus 4 e raised to the power minus 4t ut and bracket close. So if it is in this form, so following the property के हम इसको लिख सकते हैं, कांस्टेंट को बाहर लेंगे हम यहाँ पर, और Laplace transform of e raised to the power minus 2t and ut here and bracket close, we can have plus 4 and Laplace transform of e raised to the power minus 4t and ut and bracket close. So that's how we can write this. Now we have to find out separately so that you can understand better. If e raised to the power minus 2t and ut is given to you, to find out the Laplace transform of this. So how we can proceed? We can proceed like by definition, the integration from 0 to infinity e raised to the power minus 2t and ut. So this is a signal xt and multiplied by e raised to the power st by definition. So we can write here that the integration from 0 to infinity, because ut is going to define for causal and our limit is already saying that the signal is causal. So we can write that e raised to the power minus s plus 2 t and dt. That's how we can write. So after having the integration, we are having the term s plus 2 with negative sign and the limit e raised to the power minus s plus 2 t. That is the limit from 0 to t. So after putting the limit, we are having 1 over s plus 2 with negative sign here, and after putting limit, we are having minus 1. So that will lead to 1 over s plus 2. So that we know that अगर हम इसका Laplace ट्रांसफॉर्म निकालते हैं तो ये आने वाला है. तो यहाँ पे हम डायरेक्टली लिख सकते हैं that 2 Laplace transform of this will lead with 1 over s plus 2 and plus 4. Now this is Laplace transform e raised to the power 4 ut. Now this term is having the difference that यहाँ पर जो e की पावर है वो minus 2t है और यहाँ पर e की पावर 4t. We can directly write this will come 1 over s plus 4. So that's how we are having it. So simplify way में हम इसको लिख सकते हैं 2 divide by s plus 2 and plus 4 s plus. So that's how we can uh, find out the Laplace transform using the linearity property. Hope you like the video. Subscribe the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon.